Introduction to sleep tracking app problems.
Sleep tracking apps help users understand and improve their sleep, but technical issues can get in the way. This guide explores the most common problems people face with these apps and provides clear, practical solutions to get your sleep tracking back on track quickly and easily.
App not recording sleep data.
If your app isn't logging any sleep data, make sure all necessary permissions like motion sensors and microphone access are enabled in your device settings. Also, check that your device is fully charged and the app is running in the background. Restarting the app or your device can often resolve temporary glitches or data recording delays.
Inaccurate sleep tracking results.
Sometimes sleep apps misinterpret restlessness or brief movements. To improve accuracy, ensure your device or wearable is positioned correctly. Update both the app and your device's software regularly. Reviewing your sleep environment, such as reducing background noise and vibrations, can also help the app deliver more reliable results.
Syncing problems with wearables.
Many users experience syncing issues between their sleep app and wearable devices. Ensure Bluetooth is enabled and both devices are close together. Refresh the app sync settings and check for updates on both the app and wearable firmware. If problems continue, try unpairing and repairing your device or reinstalling the app.
Missing or corrupted sleep reports.
Missing reports can be alarming. Confirm your app has enough storage and that data backup is enabled if available. Corrupted reports may result from incomplete syncing or interrupted updates. Try exporting your data, clearing the app's cache, and contacting customer support if problems persist. Regularly backing up your data can help prevent future loss.
Maximizing app stability and accuracy.
For the best results, keep your app and device software up to date. Give required permissions and minimize unnecessary background apps while tracking sleep. Check your device's battery health and avoid moving it too much during the night. Regular maintenance and mindful usage help your sleep tracking app perform reliably over time.